It is more stressful flying with a baby. There's just a lot more to consider. There's a lot more to think about. I don't want to be that lady with the baby who's screaming for 4 hours.
I think the worst thing that could happen on this flight is that he'll get overtired, which causes a lot of screaming. And people definitely give you some dirty looks.
For your safety, continue observing the seatbelt sign and remember that all flights.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard our very special JetBlue flight. We all know when we're flying with babies and they cry on the plane, it can be hard on all of us. This will be the very first flight where crying babies is a good thing. Every time a baby on this plane cries, you'll receive 25% off your next JetBlue flight. In other words, 4 cries is equivalent to a free round-trip ticket.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Captain speaking. We're going to be commencing our descent in the next few minutes. The latest weather in Long Beach right now, reporting winds out of the west of about 10 to 15 miles.
Max did it. Let's give it up for Max, Donovan, Leela, Beck, and Reese.
Thanks again to all the moms and the babies on board today for making this flight so special.